Welcome back to a new video. In this video we are going to design a piston. So take our circle here first and give it dimension by smart dimension as 85 mm. Take this smart dimension here and just click it, or give it here 85 mm as its dimension. Let's extrude it. Okay, by extrude command in features. Okay, now we have to make here piston rings, slots for piston rings. So take this upper surface and sketch it. Okay, sketch it and make here a circle of 79 mm. Okay, select this and make it here 79 as its diameter. Okay, now save this, go to the feature and extrude cut. Okay, now we have to take here offset in this from of 7.3 mm. Okay, save this and make it here blind as 4.3 mm here below, in direction 1 here 4.3 mm. Okay, now save this and don't forget to select the offset. Okay, we have to cut outside part, so we have to cut this only outside part. Okay, now take this temporary axis visible on and go to this feature and this this sketch and feature. Okay, linear pattern, select this pattern and select this axis, vertical axis. This one. Okay, now make it here dimension distance as 7.3 mm plus 4.3 mm and make it 3 linear pattern here, in here below select here 3. Okay, save this. Okay, 3 slots are done here. Okay, now it's time to cut this internal part. So select this below part and sketch it, make it here a circle. Okay, now give it dimension by smart dimension as 76 mm. Okay, now let's extrude cut it. Okay, select this and give it dimension here as 85 mm and extrude cut it, cut this side. Okay, now it's done. Yeah, it's done. So let's take features. Here we have to dome this upper surface. So just go to the insert in upper side. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, in insert, go to the feature and go to this dome here, feature third number option, and go to the select this dome here. Okay, select this and give it 5 mm as its dome to this upper surface of this cylinder. Okay, done this. Here you can see dome is generated. Yeah, it's perfect. Let's hide this temporary axis and now front plane select here. Okay, Now we have to make here a slot or hole through this piston. So I am taking here a front plane, which is middle of this piston. So I am created here circle. Okay, give it dimension as 3.8. Okay, give it dimension here as 27 mm from this bottom, the distance of this center point of this circle. Save this. Okay, now we have to cut this slot from this cylinder. So just select here a sketch plane. Okay, now through all these two sides. Okay, now make this. Okay, yeah, we have to make two more slots from this cylinder. So select here a right plane. Okay, right plane. Okay, select line here. I am editing this right plane. Okay, make two lines here. We have to make one line like this and mirror it by mirror. Just select this line and mirror entity. Okay, select this line and mirror about this center line. Okay, done this. Now it's time to give it dimension. So give it dimension. Okay, before that we have to make here a arc. Okay, now we have to give here dimension. Give it here as 12 mm at this height, and now we have to give here a distance between these two lines as 50 mm. Okay, now we have to give it a radius. Oh, okay, we have to edit this first. We can't give two dimension to one arc. So okay, this. Now delete this. We have to edit this first. Okay, just to edit this. Okay, do it 140. Okay, done this, and we have to close this diagram to cut. So select a line here and close this diagram. Okay, now yeah, it's perfect. Now it's close diagram, so we can cut this diagram slot through this piston. So just go to the feature and then extrude cut. Just select this slot. We have to cut this by both sides, so take through all both and cut this. Okay, now it's done. It's perfect. Okay, and next we have to create two holes on this side slot. Okay, you can clearly see this. Okay, we have to make here a fillet. Just select this two sides or edge of this piston. Okay, just select this and give it here fillet of 10 mm. Okay, it's done. Now we have to make here two circles on this sides. Okay, just select front plane and edit this plane. Okay, make it a circle here. Choose circle, or you can convert this circle. Okay, just select this below circle and convert entities. and now we have to select here a circle. Okay, like this. You select the circle and give it dimension. $45 mm. Okay, now we have to extrude this. So select here offset, here and here up to the surface, 19 mm offset, and here up to the surface, up to next. Okay, okay, done this. Now we have to make one more slot through this piston, so in opposite side, so we have to mirror this. Okay, so that's why we need here a plane, mid plane. Okay, now we have to mirror this, so we take a mirror from features and select this surface, and that's why we need here a mid plane. So go to this part here and select this front plane, and okay, now mirror to this. Okay, select this surface only. Yeah, it will mirror. So just click on this right button and take this. Okay, now it's done. Piston is done here. Okay, we can give it color or metal as your wish, as your opinion. Okay, yeah, I'm giving here as blue as its outside and yellow as its inside color. Yeah, you can give any of this color depending upon your requirement. Okay, so here a piston is designed. Okay, so see you in next video. Please like, comment and share this video.